Alright. But yeah, the pack is in. The pack is in. Let me cover out my address. Well, I don't gotta do that right now. But yeah, ordered some more stuff off StockX and everything. I ordered 4 shirts. I'm gonna do each video individually on each shirt and everything. I'm still waiting on the other shirt, but y'all gonna see it when y'all see that. But yeah, as y'all can tell by the name of the channel, you already know what I had to get. Got another Supreme shirt. It bit hard. But, hold on. Let me cover this up. Alright. Hopefully y'all can see it good. Oh, and I got a ring light, as y'all can see. I hope the light better and everything. But yeah, y'all see that. I spent, it was it was originally $90, but you know, tax and shipping and all that other stuff, it came out to be $113. So yeah, if y'all want it, y'all look it up. But yeah, this bit hard as hell on me. Then got the little authenticate, yeah, whatever that word is, got that on here. And they ain't give me no picture this time. Cause you know, hold on, let me move this. Y'all, don't worry about Tatiana. But as y'all see back there, them little pictures, as y'all can see them 3, I guess they stopped giving them, or they only give them with certain stuff. Hopefully I got some with the other 3 shirts. But yeah, they been hard as hell. I would try it on, but I just got out of work. I'm all oily and stuff. But yeah. And I got it in a medium, but it be like it be a little big. Like, you probably can fit in it. Not trying to say you big or nothing, but you know, don't do that. But yeah, they be big. It look like a large, but I ordered a medium. I probably should have got a small. So, if y'all like my body size or something, I'd probably recommend get a small. I'm finna try it on. Hold on, give me 1 second. I'm finna try it on. Alright, I'm back. This how this bit look. I ain't gonna lie, it is big. I should have got it in a small. But yeah, it ain't really nothing on the back. It just got this on it. I'm probably gonna wear these with like some black jeans and my calls. I'm taking the shirt off on camera. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, but yeah. If y'all want that shirt again and y'all about my size, I recommend y'all get it in a small because it's kinda big, but probably when I wash it, it'll get smaller. I just know right now that's like an extra large. And I'm not even a large. But yeah. If y'all want it, I'll put the link in the description so y'all can just go straight to StockX and everything and buy that bit. But yeah, 3 more shirts, 3 more videos, 3 more shirts. Then after that, I gotta find out what I'm gonna do next. I probably gonna get some more shoes or something, cause it's been a minute since I made like a shoe video. But that's pretty much it. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's keep the movement going. So I fucked it up. Like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, so we can keep growing and eventually we be bigger. I don't gotta work in no factory and stuff no more, and then we just making content and y'all showing love and all that other good stuff. But yeah, I'm not gonna forget to put that link in the description. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm probably gonna make the other video tomorrow when I get out work again and everything. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. See y'all later.
Baby, what you wishing for?